Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another week, another video. I think I haven't done this introduction in ages. I think जब quarantine शुरू हुआ था तब शायद मैंने sit down video की थी. Sorry about that. I have been just busy. आज मैं एक वीडियो फिल्म करने जा रही हूँ और वो वीडियो जैसे कि आपने टाइटल पढ़ लिया होगा इज़ अबाउट मेकअप दैट इज़ अवेलेबल लोकली. बिकॉज बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट आती हैं लोगों की कि बताएं आपने ये चीज़ कहाँ से ली, एंड अगर वो बाहर से होती है तो फिर आई नो इतना अनोइंग होता है कि आप वो चीज़ लें. तो इसीलिए मैंने ये सारा लोकल पाकिस्तान अवेलेबल मेकअप इस वीडियो में इस्तेमाल करूँगी सो दैट यू कैन फाइंड आउट वेयर एवरीथिंग इज़ फ्रॉम. सो लेट्स गो. मेकअप वीडियो बहुत टाइम बाद फिल्म कर रही हूँ, तो अगर बीच में आपको थोड़ा सा अनोइंग लगे, आई अपोलोजाइज़. I'm not a makeup artist. I just like doing makeup. The first thing जो मैं करने लगी हूँ वो मैं अपनी स्किन को prepare करने लगी हूँ मेकअप के लिए. And I think the best way to prepare your skin with makeup is to use a mist. And this is the Beauty highlights का mist, which is a business जिनकी एक website भी है. It's a local business. And this is the Fruity Mist Hydrate Refresh. And I'm guessing इसमें citrusy smell होगी. आप मेकअप लगाते हैं तो you're already drying your skin out by putting chemicals and stuff on it. So the best way to prep your skin is to hydrate it before everything has sunk into the skin. We are gonna start with the makeup. पहली चीज़ होगी primer, and I'm using Beautify by Amna because I think this is the only Pakistani brand I know that makes amazing primers. I genuinely love their primers because I just feel like कि ये international standards के like इसको compete करते हैं with international brands. For example जैसे Maybelline का baby skin है, for example जिस तरह Benefit का professional है, this is like that sort of a primer. And I honestly love priming because Karachi में humidity बहुत है, and I think the best way to keep your makeup going a really long way is to make sure that your skin is nicely primed and it looks good. I do have a code for Beautify by Amna products because इस वीडियो में काफ़ी सारे Beautify by Amna के products हैं. So yeah, I'm just gonna mention the code description box में. अगर आपको कुछ खरीदना है, you can. I am gonna be testing out their foundation. This is the Radiant Foundation in Long Wear Matte Finish, and this is the shade 03 Natural. And I love the packaging of this. इतना luxurious ये इसकी packaging है. And I'm super excited to try it out. ये एक pump के साथ आता है. I love foundations that come with a pump. I've just taken some out. मैं इसी को अपने अब फेस पे लगाना शुरू करूँगी. जब मुझे आज वीडियो फिल्म करनी थी तो ये कहीं से रेडनेस आ गई है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ये कहाँ से आई है. Okay, so this color is a very good match, as you can see. उसके बाद what I really like to do is use this serum. This is the 24K Gold Serum by Beautify by Amna. Now I am very skeptical about serums. वो इसलिए क्योंकि कभी कभार जो serums होते हैं ना वो आपको इतना कोई shiny कर देते हैं. You have to be really careful. So I'm just gonna use a tiny drop. Oh my god, that's a lot of gold. And I am just gonna first off, if I am to like comment on this foundation, it blends very easily. And obviously वो जो serum है, it is giving me a nice sheen on the skin. काफ़ी अच्छी coverage है इस foundation की, as you can see. Okay, I am seriously loving the coverage of this foundation. I think इसने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से coverage दी है. It looks very flawless. It's very light on the skin. Next step is concealer, and I am again using the Beautify by Amna का Radiant Concealer. Now this concealer is in the shade 04 Cool Natural. I just feel like ये थोड़ा सा येलो है मेरे लिए. I made a mistake in selecting the shade. I should have selected a shade that was just a bit more towards the pinkier side because I feel like this is a little too yellow. I'm just putting this where I feel I have spots and I need a little bit of cover. I think it has given, this concealer has given such amazing coverage. Literally jahan pe redness thi, it's covered it so nicely and so perfectly. I am loving the results. I want to do my eye makeup and then I'm gonna do the underneath my eye area. So basically अब मैं अपनी eye makeup करने लगी हूँ और इसके लिए मैंने जो brand select की है वो है Focallure. और ये I think international brand है, but they have a presence in Pakistan and their makeup is pretty affordable and it's very nice quality. तो Focallure की palette इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ. This is in Night Elf and it has some really lovely colors. So I'm gonna go for like a bronzy sort of an eye look because that's my favorite, like bronzy golden girl eye look. Okay, ये जो makeup brush है I am using, this is from Luscious Cosmetics. I get a lot of questions about where I get my makeup brushes. ये मैंने एक पूरा set खरीदा था Luscious Cosmetics से और उनके पास ना हर तरीके के eye brushes थे, but this like it's usually sold out, so you're gonna have to really look for it online. check कर सकते हैं Luscious की website. Makeup City, they usually carry Luscious. First of all मैं जो color ले रही हूँ वो है Lilac Mauve. ये जो मेरा है transition color होगा, so I'm just gonna put it right over here. Wow, this is super pigmented. मैं color लूँगी Blackberry and this is sort of a dark color, so I'm just gonna be careful क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा exaggerated eyes नहीं चाहिए. I just want like a little bit of glow. Now just going to blend that color. Make sure that I don't leave any sharp edges because sometimes I do. और जब मैं video अपनी edit करने लगती हूँ I'm like, oh crap, I didn't blend it properly. So I'm just gonna take my time with this. And I'm gonna take sort of a flat fluffy brush और फिर मैं color लूँगी Pink Glitz because this is a really lovely bronzy shade. And I'm just gonna put that on the lid. Oh my god, look at the sweep of color, literally. That looks amazing, guys. I think right in the middle I want to use this Glam Gold color. This is like a golden और मैं बिल्कुल इसको ना like अपने बीच में रखना चाहती हूँ ताकि वो एक sunrise सा effect दे. Oh, that looks amazing. अब वापस से ये Blackberry color लूँगी एक छोटे से पतले से brush पे and I'm just gonna color the under eye area. Okay, so now I am just gonna underline my eyes. और उसके लिए मैं जो पेंसिल इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ है Luscious का creamy gold liner, so that is what I'm gonna use. Eyeliner मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ माना का long wear eyeliner और usually ये बहुत आसानी से लग जाता है, but now that we're doing it in front of the camera, I just hope कि ये मुझे बेइज्जत ना करे. Okay, let's go. I'm going to be using the Mana Velvet Moisturizing Mascara and I have accidentally spilled some serum on this, which makes me very sad. मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा अपनी bedsheet पे भी गिरा दिया है, but moving on. I really like this mascara. इसका wand check करें आप, बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त किस्म का है. I think it is perfect for my lashes. Okay, so now that we're done with the eye makeup, अब time है underneath the eye area को थोड़ा sort out करने के लिए. I don't have anything local, but I'm gonna use something that is easily available और वो है Maybelline Age Rewind. You can get this everywhere. Hyperstar में मिल जाता है, इम्तियाज़ में मिल जाता है, दराज में मिल जाता है. So it's easy to get. तो I'm sure you can get a hold of this. And I'm just gonna use this right underneath the eye. So now it is time to put some dimensions on the face, and what I am noticing is that the concealer is looking a little brownish. That just goes to show कि it's not really my color. I should have gotten a color which is a little lighter. बट अब मैं अपने फेस को करूँगी थोड़ा सा ब्रॉन्ज, एंड ब्रॉन्जिंग इज़ अमेजिंग. आई लव ब्रॉन्जिंग. आई नेवर लीव द हाउस. आई थिंक जब जैसे जैसे मैं बड़ी होती जा रही हूँ, आई एम रियलाइजिंग how much I like bronzing. So I'm going to use this Beautify by Amna ka Tan Bond matte bronzer, one of the best bronzers on the market. Love the packaging, it's amazing. हर जगह mention कर चुकी हूँ अपनी stories पे. It's gone on so many trips with me. I love this bronzer. पहले मैं अपनी आईब्रोज़ को फिल किया करती थी, बट उसकी वजह से मैंने नोटिस किया कि मेरी आईब्रोज़ में बहुत गैप्स आने लगे. नाउ आई लिटरली जस्ट comb my brows. I don't fill them, I don't do anything to them, and they are just so much fuller now. I love that. Blush I'm going to use again Beauty highlights. ये इनका जो है वो cream blush है, and I'm going to use the Beautify by Amna का blender, and I'm just going to take a little bit. ये actually काफ़ी tricky product है. I always check how much I have because sometimes इतना ज़्यादा लग जाता है, आपको इतना ज़्यादा चाहिए नहीं होता है. I'm just gonna हल्के से, you know. Now I am just gonna set everything with the powder. I'm just only going to use powder जहाँ मुझे लगता है कि I need it. Powder that I am using is again from Beautify by Amna. Guys, this video is not sponsored. I do have a code. अगर वो आपको इस्तेमाल करना है तो you're gonna get some free goodies. Yeah. So this is what the powder looks like. इसकी packaging बहुत अच्छी है. They've recently released this. It's so luxurious to look at, and I am gonna use this. This is a translucent powder, but I just really like to mattify my area, so around the nose, on the jawline, and like just, you know, underneath the cheekbones and just the tip of my nose, anything where I feel that I'm gonna get oily. Okay, now it is time for some highlighter, and I love highlighter. Highlighter के लिए मैं जो use करी वो again एक पाकिस्तानी brand है, and I think मैंने पहले भी ये highlighter इस्तेमाल किया है Instagram पे या अपनी videos में. It's a really good highlighter. ये है Zay Beauty की ड्रामा क्लोज, एंड दिस इज़ चांद एंड तारा. इसमें से एक जो है वो क्रीम है और एक जो है वो पाउडर है. Just pop that on the cheekbones like so. Now it is time to do my lips. Now I'm thinking of going for a red lip because बहुत टाइम से मैंने red lip इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है. I always go for like really subtle colors, but today I feel like red lip is something that we deserve, so I'm gonna go for it. So the duo that I'm using is okay, so this again थोड़ी सी cheating की है मैंने. This is not a Pakistani local brand. This is Absolute Moisture. मगर अगर आपको कोई पाकिस्तानी मेकअप ब्रांड चाहिए है लिप लाइनर्स में, then I would suggest NYX Cosmetics. I have the lip liners, मगर वो रेड में नहीं था मेरे पास. Lip liner is done. Now the lipstick that I'm using is ST London की Sensual Lips, और ये है color Ruby Red. This is one of my favorite red colors ever. I really like how this look turned out. Honestly, मुझे लग नहीं रहा था कि मैं कैमरे के सामने इतनी अच्छी लुक क्रिएट कर पाऊँगी, but I am surprised myself. I really like it. I think it's an amazing look. It's very wearable. I think अगर आप अपना लिप कलर थोड़ा चेंज कर लें और पिंक कर लें या ब्राउन कर लें, you can totally wear this during the daytime. That was the makeup look. I hope आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next week's video. Bye!